Baptist Church. So it seems that nobody's taking my hiring application seriously. So here's what's happening. Oh Lord, not this again. We are hiring at Bios Baptist Church. We have a new department called, can I pause the stream? We'll wait it out. Every time I stream in the front of the church building, this is what happens. It's gonna happen again. It's garbage truck. It's garbage day. They didn't find anything they want, so now they're gonna pass again. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Guess they found something. I gotta go get my student. Then I gotta go hire somebody. Okay, they didn't find it, so now they're gonna pass. They thought they found something, but they really didn't. Now they're just yelling at me. Okay, and I was quiet. I could talk. Okay, so we are doing hiring at Bios Baptist Church. We need as much staff as we possibly can get. So, all ages, we will triage you to your department. We have a new department that is open, the Bios Baptist Church Nazarene Guard. This department is in charge of cyber security. What does it do? It monitors the YouTube chat rooms. It deletes negative comments. It suspends users from commenting on YouTube pages, blocks users from our Facebook and Instagram accounts who repetitively leaves negative comments, as well as delete negative comments, and it protects people in classrooms while they are here to learn. So basically, the Nazarene Guard is here to shield people from any negativity while you are at Bios Baptist Church, as well as reporting any negativity to the proper authorities, such as parents, teachers, or as parents, teachers, administrators, or even going as far as local authorities in your area. So, Nazarene Guard can also direct you to where you want to be or help you find videos that are needed, determined to what you want, to your your ailments, such as, say you have a problem with lying all the time. We can help you find all the lying videos related to that subject on YouTube. So the Nazarene Guard deals with all of the cyber issues on Bios Baptist Church. So in Bios Baptist Church, the Nazarene Guard would mostly help with security and protection. We are here to protect and serve. We are here to make sure that nobody is basically the general well-being of people here in Bios Baptist Church. We work with the emergency department only, not the general ministries. Those are hiring positions available. There are hiring positions always available in the ministries. To apply, go to the emergency department and scroll way down to the bottom, and you'll see the form. or just email me, and I will direct you where to go. So if you have any questions, just email me or call me at 678-595-1619. Have a good day, and may God bless you.